my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have a few items to share with you today that are very, very limited. So if you're watching this video and you go to buy something on our website that I'm showing you in this video and you can't find it, do a search in the search box, and if you still can't find it, that means it's sold out. So get it while the getting's good, right? The first one is our Just Because collection of patterned paper. Now this one's really fun. Originally you might think, oh, this is only Christmas, but literally this one is year round. So it does have the fun stars, which are nice. It has the nice cute pine cones. And if you have that die set, you can easily die cut these out. We usually add a couple of these and we have a few left over from the club shipment. And so we thought, you know what, we really need to get these out, and look at how fun those are. So definitely go check that out and stock up for Christmas if you need to. We also have the Just Because die set that did come in our kit. Again, once it's gone forever, so get it quick. And Ken found, he was cleaning the warehouse, and let me tell you, if you went back in that warehouse, I went back there today, in fact, and because I'm not allowed to usually come to the office, I work from home because I start moving stuff around, and I went to the back and I was like looking through stuff, and I said, Kenny, do you ever just look around here and just go, whoa, this is cool? And he looks at me and he goes, no. I said, no, but really, because this is like a whole store. We have our own store here. Like, you could get anything you wanted, like any color of cardstock that we carry is right here. You could just take it off the shelf. You could craft for days. And he's like, yeah. He doesn't feel the excitement that I feel when I go back there and I see all the embellishments and I see all the yummies. And I did put a little stash off to the side of all the colors that I just felt I needed extra of at home. But okay, so long story short, sorry, he was cleaning some of the warehouse and he found some kits from October of 2018. Guess what? This is like from the vault kind of thing. If you missed out on this kit, get it now. Again, very, very limited, but it is amazing. I love this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the color palette really quick. We're going to go through this fast, but you can also go look at the original video as well. Of course, handy dandy envelopes, a storage envelope. The cardstock is gorgeous, and the fun thing about this is the one that was the toasters, and so it has the pink, it has the yellow, it has the green, it has the hot pink, it has the blue. Oh, so gorgeous. And what's in here? Well, you're getting 2 ribbons. If you're not in the kit club, this is a great way to start checking it out. Here's a twine. Of course, it comes with the handy dandy storage envelope. There's an idea gallery on the website. A great stamp set. This one has nice big words. Congratulations, special day, all those fun things. Some cute little mini bows. Of course, some epoxy because we need that. A big die, and this one's really fun. It says hip hip hooray. And, oh, sorry, 2 thin washi, which are really fun. Let me get all this back in there because I want to show you this pattern paper pad. The pattern paper pads, say that 5 times fast, are really awesome because they give you the idea of what the color scheme is. So this one's kind of like all about toast and avocado and toast. Get it? Isn't that cute? Hip hip hooray, that's what the die looks like. But it's a great solids, all the different colors. Oh, a little coffee cup. So this one is fantastic. I just really love the color palette on this one. Again, all limited edition items. If you like it, get it now, because if it's gone, it's gone, okay? Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.